Hello knowledge seekers, welcome to Med Mastermind, where we dive into the art of learning efficiently. Today we are tackling a skill that is crucial for academic success, taking notes during lectures. Have you ever felt overwhelmed trying to jot down everything your professor says, or found yourself lost in a sea of unorganized scribbles during exam time? Fear not. In this video, let me show you the most effective way of taking notes to organize the key information and to make your study time a breeze. Let's get into the video. You have to divide the page into left and right column. 1/3 will be your left column and 2/3 will be your right column. The main content delivered during the lecture have to be written on the right column, and whatever heading and whatever the important questions your faculty says is going to be asked for 5 mark or reasoning out or 2 mark, that you will write on the left column. Now, let me show you how you have to do this with a demonstration. Let us assume that the faculty has taken a class on functions of thyroid hormones. She has first listed down that we have to write the functions of thyroid hormones under 12 different subheadings. And secondly, she has started to explain about the role of thyroid hormones or its function at cellular level and its role in growth and development. So whatever the main content is being delivered has to be written on the right side, and whatever question she says is going to be asked for a reasoning out, then you write it on the left hand side. So here I have taken 2 questions which was told to be asked as reasoning out on the left side, and whatever content she delivered I have written on the right side. Now in the evening during your study time, you can use highlighters to highlight the important point, to highlight the question so that it is easy for you to review your notes as and when it is required. So this is the most effective method of studying. So if you like this video, do like, share, subscribe, and don't forget to comment what type of content you want. Thank you.